In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add, animate, and loop images in your project using templates and quick duplication. We'll start on the left side of your workspace. Look for the panel that contains your creative tools and click on Add Elements. This opens the library where you can bring new assets onto your canvas. It's the central place for everything visual you'll place in your design. Next, click on Image. This filters the library to show image options only, which helps you stay focused on photos and raster graphics rather than shapes or videos. If you already have assets you want to use, click on Upload and Import. Choose files from your device or preferred storage. High-resolution PNGs or JPEGs generally give you the cleanest result, and transparent PNGs are great if you want your image to blend with the background. Give the upload a moment to process so the preview renders clearly. Now, choose a template. A template gives your project a cohesive layout, spacing, and visual style, which saves time and keeps everything consistent. Pick one that matches your goal and aspect ratio. You're not replacing your image, you're placing it inside a ready-made structure that looks polished from the start. If the template offers multiple pages or scenes, choose the one that best showcases your image without crowding it. With your image on the canvas, click on Animation and Effects. This panel controls how your image behaves, how it appears, moves, and settles. Here's where you define motion that guides the viewer's eye. Once you're in, click on Loop. Looping ensures your animation repeats continuously, so the motion never abruptly stops. This is perfect for ambient visuals, headers, or any design element that needs steady, seamless movement. After enabling looping, choose the effect you want. Go for something that complements your content, such as a gentle fade, a slow zoom, or a subtle pan. The goal is to enhance the image without distracting from it. If available, adjust intensity and duration so the loop feels smooth. A slower speed usually looks more professional and keeps the loop from feeling choppy. To build out your layout, copy this image and then paste it again and again. Each duplicate will inherit the same animation and loop behavior, keeping everything consistent. Arrange the copies into a grid or stagger them for variety. Use alignment tools to keep spacing even, and consider grouping duplicates once you're happy with the layout to move them as a single unit.